Just because students are 100 miles away from the devastation doesn't mean that they can't help. In fact, one student who's actually from the area says her community could use all the help they can get, no matter where it's coming from.
I know exactly where this is. That's true.
University of Arkansas student Katrina Maldonado calls Corpus Christi home.
To see, on social media, like, wow, this is just, I can't even put it to words.
Her family didn't evacuate. Instead, took cover in their home, where luckily only the fence fell.
A big blessing.
But her friend's condo, where many high school memories were made,
he said that it's a complete loss. The roof
wasn't so lucky.
Not on there anymore.
And being 12 hours away from home doesn't make it any easier.
Places that I've grown up as a child, just being destroyed, and you can't do anything about it. And that's also the hardest part, that I can't be there.
But the Northwest Arkansas chapter of the Red Cross already deployed 10 volunteers. The organization encourages everyone to help.
We need volunteers, and if you're a student, you're not too young to be a volunteer, that's for sure.
Training only takes a couple of days, so students could help in Texas in the coming weeks. But for those who feel like that's not for them, you can donate online or by texting Harvey to 90999. When you donate to organizations like the Red Cross, your money will be used to buy relief items like this that will be used to help those down in Texas.
It's just great to just kind of see, like, wow, it doesn't matter the color of your skin, what race you are, your religion, just people helping people, because everyone is in need right now, from Houston to Corpus.
And students aren't too far away to help, because many of those who have lost so much are walking to class right next to you.
Yeah.
The university is offering counseling services and encourages those who need to go back to Texas to talk to their professors about excuses. For UATV, I'm Delaney Majors.